Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 7, openhuman, 39 new stars today. openhuman is a local-first personal AI that builds a persistent memory of your life and orchestrates agent fleets for deep research and workflow automation, all without sending your data to the cloud. It replaces proprietary assistants like ChatGPT Plus by letting you run a private, extensible AI brain on your own hardware, with full control over which LLMs and tools you connect. Built in Rust for speed and reliability, it's a compelling foundation for developers who want to hack on agentic systems without vendor lock-in. Number 6, free-claude-code, 1,081 new stars today. This project gives you a single interface to route coding agents like Claude Code and Codex through 49 different model providers, pooling over 1.3 billion free tokens monthly so you can keep working without a paid API key. It solves the real problem of provider outages and quota limits by automatically falling back to the next available model mid-turn, which means your agent session doesn't die just because one service goes down. The terminal output filtering that cuts token waste by up to 90% and the built-in voice transcription support make it worth a look if you're tired of burning through rate limits on repetitive command output. Number 5, Maka. 51 new stars today. Maka gives you a local first agent runtime that records every model message, tool call, and permission decision in an append-only log, so you can audit, debug, and resume sessions without cloud lock-in. Unlike cloud AI agents that lose state or force you to trust opaque logs, Maka keeps the full execution trail on your machine and lets you bring your own model, keeping your data private. Technically, it builds on an append-only log as the single source of truth, decoupling context windows from persistent history, and runs through a single runtime host for consistent behavior across desktop, CLI, and evaluation, giving you a reproducible, traceable foundation for building reliable AI tools. Number 4, Buzz. 410 new stars today. Buzz is a self-hosted workspace that unifies team communication, code collaboration, and AI agents into a single event log, so you never have to stitch together Slack, GitHub, and CI dashboards again. Every message, patch, review, and workflow run is a signed Nostr event, giving you a cryptographically verifiable audit trail and a searchable record of why every decision was made, whether the author is a human or an agent. Because it's built in Rust and runs on your own relay, you own the data and can give agents the same capabilities as human teammates. Number 3, omarchy. 750 new stars today. This is a full Linux distribution that packages a curated, ready-to-use developer desktop. No more assembling your own dot files, tools, and themes from scratch. It solves the real-world pain of spending hours configuring a workstation after a fresh OS install by providing an opinionated environment tuned for productivity with a custom desktop, hotkeys, and application stack. But the technical interest lies in its Arch-based foundation, a cohesive CLI, and a tightly integrated AI and NeoVim setup, all documented in a thorough manual that makes you want to explore how it handles everything from screenshots to unattended installs. Number 2, skills. 2,447 new stars today. These agent skills address the core failure mode in AI-assisted development, the gap between what you intend and what the coding agent actually builds. By providing lightweight, composable instructions for triaging, planning, and executing work, they give you direct control over the development process without locking you into a rigid, opinionated framework. They are plain shell-based skill files that work across Claude Code, Codex, and other agents, making them easy to inspect, modify, and integrate into any workflow. Click through to start using them in 30 seconds. Number 1, Awesome GPT Image 2, 401 new stars today.
Den siste routers i gap. En leken mijn perceptions har eleven the night of this vaccine and so we're slightly spang. In secret the first of the eye and the child they love playing star now. In the noise I'm glad then see plant the cares one so blackens. In none are now e shot ever now and it's each term stin. In anniversary born for net days, in planet of is also human Christ of Talbus I gate anchor. And expect as delays into the mascos ever in this house and try with that his in unseen Drayton.
It reverse engineers over 500 real-world images into reusable templates and extracted skills, so you can stop guessing why a prompt worked and start composing results systematically. The library is built for integration into automated pipelines and product workflows, not just one-off playground experimentation.